valuable items in there and I didn't want it to despawn. Can you drop it now? Wait. Sorry, can you now pick it up again? Pick it up again, please. And drop it. Oh, let me fix that. Ah! Every time I accidentally pick it up or fail it, can you pick it up and drop it again every time I fail? Because I just want to get some spending moolah. Okay. That's why I call duplication. Oh no, we need some backups. Just in case, like... This thing sells for like 60,000. So, let's do it 3 more times. 2 for backups and one for selling. So, 1 for... Can you pick it up and drop it again? Do not sell it. Nor do not open it. Alright, 1 backup. How much money do you want? How does, actually just pick it up and drop it again, please? Okay, you want, just pick it up and drop it again. This time we're gonna sell it after this. We'll sell both of them. Now, let me just check it for all those backups. Yeah, this is fine. I'll just put these guns in there. Now, pick up and put that on your back. We'll drop them in there and then sell. Just, you know how you said you had a whole server room in your basement? I don't believe you. Cause you have, yeah, I knew it. Cause you'd be put in prison at that rate. Yeah. Yeah, that would be insane, realistically. Either you... Oh, someone joined. It's probably my friends. Okay, run! Look how much it sells for. Guess. No thank you. Oh yeah, guess what I got from my Auntie M? An official Mario watch sticky from Japan. I'm just gonna show the viewers it, or my viewers. There it is. Hey, you wanna see something ridiculous? Am I going to fly? Please! You wanna see a maniac move? So this is my ultimate budget thing. My mining maniac machine. Do you think this is gonna work, like my mining maniac machine? A mining maniac machine. It's part of the thing. It's required for the machine to work. No! Bro! Hey, I'm gonna have to wait for my, thing limit to reset. Oh, it reset it. Okay, do you think this thing's gonna work, or will it not? Just make a guess. Just make a guess. Will it work? Will it work or no? This feels like, does this seem too good to be true? So you don't believe that that will work? Uh-oh. I think I might have to reinstall. So is there ores everywhere for you? Is there ores everywhere for you? Look at this machine go! Take the one! Look at it go! It gone that way! It's over there! Bro, I've gotta reinstall my game, I think. Hey, sis! Hey, bro. I think I'm gonna have to rejoin. I'm probably. Do you know the best mining maniac you can make? So it requires more than like a few arms. It requires like for it to be super good. Like the best of the best. To be like awesome. Wait, what if I just... What if I whip up 2? Yeah.
2 mining mania. 1 for me!
Ah!
Yeah, I might die down there.
I hope I don't have to reinstall. Let me just mute you in game. Jesus.
I'm just gonna go mining to try to get some research points.
What?
I'll be doing that while you reinstall your game.
Reinstall.
That's what I said.
Oh, dude, my fucking mining maniac is being a maniac trying to make me want to punch someone. What? What? Ah! Yeah, I think it just gone to heaven. Or said, hi to Jesus. Or something. Yay, my game's fixed. Hey, you wanna say hello to the new mining maniac? Just go into sewers and you'll see it. Go crazy, go stupid! Ah! Oh my God, it's doing it! It's doing its job! Go crazy! What the hell is it? It's gone! It's gone! Yeah. It's going. Where? Mr. Spider, right? What the hell? My mining machine is either broken or broken. It's climbing! It's climbing the walls! Oh my... It's... castle. That's what it's doing. I just got cooked. I just got cooked beyond belief. Cool. I don't know. Probably. Help. Hey, can you die in the game real quick, please, so I can show you my mining maniac version? I want to show you my mining. I'm gonna. Oh no, you need. How many research points? You have mined all your available research points. That's why. Well, that's weird. How long have you not played for? Like 16 hours? Have you mined? Good. Oh yeah, you got one? Uh-oh. I think, my mining maniac has mutated. It grown Huh? Yes and no. It depends on how long you haven't played. Four. You can. That's if that you'd have to like have some good timing, which means like you'd have to play on the 15th hour and grind and like mine for within 1 hour or within 1 hour, then you can get 5. Or you'll get enough company coins to get it. 250. I want to show off my mining maniac. I'm upgrading it by the second. Dear Lord, my mining maniac's out of control. It has more than 5 arms by now, I think. If you find any, like, monsters, just let them kill you. In game, of course. Just reboot. Reboot. Where are you? Like, describe the place. Don't. It will take you super long to get down there fully. But just trace where you've gone. Try and figure out where you were before that, and yeah, it does. You need a pickaxe to mine it, though. Dear Lord! Dear God! My mining machine! Look at it in the mirror! Oh, that's some wrong arm. Oh, just come here. Let me show you it. Sorry if I disconnect from the code. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Now, does this feel too good to be true? Like, the more arms you add, more arms with pickaxes you add, the crazier it gets. So, you want to see this thing go? Can you kill the red light, green light using just kill it using it. Just slam into it full force. Yeah, you're cooked. You're cooked. Where are you? Oh, respawn. Can you, drop down a pickaxe? Like, bring a pickaxe? No, just bring a pickaxe. That's if you can. Just get a pickaxe for me. Oh yeah, I gotta bash it to death. Like, I'll just simply bonk it 10 times and that should do the trick. Oh my. Yes, I do. Should've left. Hey, let me just, don't kill me. Let me show you it off. Oh my goodness! It's lagging! Help! Dude, revive me! Come here, revive me! Just come to where red light. Grab it. Come on. Oh no, you're cooked. Oh! You, dude. Grab me. Behind you. Okay. Good. Boom! Get away! Did it seriously just get a That's because you held down any button. No? Dude, this thing's getting me research. This thing's getting me coins. Bro, what the hell? Ah! I dear God! It's lagging! It's lagging my game! It's not insane! Ah! Oh God! Dear God! Oh my God! I think my mining maniac just killed the red light, green light. Like, it killed it. It killed it. Bro, it's at the start now! Oh my God! It got me a reset point! Bro, it got me a reset point. It just got me a research point. It was going insane. The mining maniac got me a research point. It just mined so vigorously that it just got it. It just got it. It just mined until it either blew up. I think it just got me another one. I think my game's dying. Bro, my mining maniac is so overpowered. Yeah, I just earned myself a research point. I just lagged. So I think that was the mining maniac. No! Oh, no! Yes! Bro, my mining maniac, I think, got me at least 1 to 2 research points. 1 to 2, I'd say. I have 4. So, hey. Wish me the best. No! Help me! Yeah! Bro, I didn't... Cool. Why not? Hey. Do you want to see a nuke? So, Nenko's space. Well, I want to show you. So you just simply use it and throw it. Hey, I'm gonna make another mining maniac while I'm at it. Just for fun. No, sorry. I'll make you one when you die. How does that sound? I'll make you one when you die. How does that sound? Oh, man. Oh, yes. I guess I'm gonna have to make... mining. Here's your mining maniac. Nice and ready to go. Pick it up before it starts running for the hills. So, you just gotta move this hand like insane. The other hand. You have to keep it in closed space and move the other hand like mental. Yes. No. You have to drop it, move that hand, move this hand like insane. Or this. This one. Now, let me just real quick build myself one. And get it in an enclosed space. Get it in an enclosed space like sewers. That should do great. You should let go of it. I'm not there right now. I'm not. Oh, oh man, I gotta go. Let's test our mining maniacs out. I'll finish up in like 2-3 minutes, Dad. I'll be there soonish. Okay, drop him. Bro, my game froze. Okay, drop your mining maniac and just start making your hand. Just make your hand go like this. It should go off as soon as it hits the ground. That's what it's meant to do. But two of it should be great. 2 of it would make it go insane. But one's just a budget build. If you don't have money. You don't have more money, then good luck making a good one. Bro, I'm just gonna go off because my VR timer ran out. Alrighty.